Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with Crypto Market Mentor and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Bitcoin, bring Bitcoin into focus as it seems to be developing a cup and handle pattern. As you can see, we had a pretty normal 30% pullback from the highs that started here in January. And that is typical bull market behavior with Bitcoin. If you can't sit through a 30% pullback, then you shouldn't be hodling Bitcoin, is one of the rules that we have over at Crypto Market Mentor. But since this 30% pullback, it recovered to the highs and has been consolidating in and around 100K. Now, it did dip under 100K during some geopolitical mess over the weekend, but we've recaptured that level, and Bitcoin is currently just sitting right on the 50-day moving average. So we have a cup pattern, and we have a bit of a handle pattern. So what I want to see from Bitcoin is a move above 106.4 coming on volume, where we break out of this clear downward sloping trend line, and ideally can retest some of the highs in and around 112. On IBIT, that means we want to see Bitcoin above today's intraday high and ideally testing some of these highs up here at around 63. So if you don't have a crypto account and you're trading IBIT, I'd probably want to have an alert in and around $60.60 or a breakout alert for a brand new high in and around 64 or just under. So you can either enter close to these moving averages with a stop under the 50-day moving average or wait for a new all-time high breakout above 64. That's how I would get into IBIT here for a trade on Bitcoin following its momentum higher. So those are just a few things we're looking at tonight over at Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. If you want guidance and education in digital assets, give us a try. Click the link below or go to stockmarketmentor.com/crypto. I hope to see you there.